Welcome back, everybody, and Merry Christmas from HD Piano. My name is Dan, and in this lesson we'll learn how to play Silent Night by Franz Gruber and Joseph Moore. In this video I'll teach you a simplified version, very basic, and then at hdpiano.com I'll expand on that idea, play a more varied version for you. Before I get playing here, what's your favorite Christmas carol? Comment below. Here's Silent Night. Okay, so although it's simple, it actually sounds really beautiful. It's nice, and it's manageable. Okay, so let's learn it, starting with the left hand. I'm going to teach you the basic outline, the rhythmic pattern that we'll use throughout, and that is this. And that is 1, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5. Repeating. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... Okay, and we'll use fingers pinky, index on the middle, and thumb on top. We're going to see this pattern employed over a G chord, an F chord, and then last an A minor chord. And that's all in addition to the C. So we're learning 4 different chord positions, all using the same rhythmic pattern. All right? So again, let's just go through them again. C, G. This is in no particular order. F, A minor, okay, that's all I'm going to talk about with the left hand. I think as long as you keep in mind that it's the same rhythmic pattern, it's the same outline for each chord, you'll be just fine. Now let's introduce the right hand. This is the more challenging part because the melody isn't so patterned. It's varied. It starts on a G. We'll play G on our index finger. So the first melody line, that repeats twice, is G, A, G, E. With the left hand it sounds like this. And it repeats. Try that with me. Ready, and play. Again. Okay, the next melody line has us on a G chord in the left hand. And the melody on the top is D, D, B. So, all is calm. Try that again. And then we go back to C. And the melody there is C, C, G. Okay, let's look at the first 8 measures. So we have C. We repeat that motif. Now to G. Back to our C chord. Okay, after that we're down on the F chord in the left hand. And here's the melody. and this line repeats twice. The line is A, C, B, A, G, A, G, E. Okay, and the left-hand accompaniment stays the same, so we have that repeats. Okay, what I'd like to do is play everything up to this point. Okay, so to make sure we've got it, retaining it. So we start at the beginning with that melody. Ready, and slow. 2, 3. Two, 3. G chord. 2, 3. Back to C. 2, 3. Down to F. Two. Repeat that. Here's the next line. So, we're on a G chord, and the melody is D, D, F, D, B, C, and we switch the left hand to an A minor here, C, E. So again, those 4 measures are D, D, F, D, B, change chords, C, E, and then this is how we end. We're on a C chord, we play C, G, E in the melody, and then down to a G chord, and the melody plays G, F, D, and then we end on C. And we can give a final statement of this chord. C and G in the left, C and E in the right. That's a C chord. Okay, here's the last 4 one more time, just in case you didn't get that. You'll notice I'm using a lot of sustain pedal, okay? These notes are carrying over, they're very, a good word would be, they're gooey. I like that word, they're gooey. So you're kind of hearing them just blend together real nicely. You're lifting the pedal maybe every once in a chord change, but other than that it's being held down, okay? So there's an aside for you. Let's play the whole thing real slow. 1 and 2 and play. To G. Back to C. And then F. Back to C. G. A minor. C. G. C. Right, if that was a struggle, I'd recommend going back, isolating any of those parts that are still an issue for you, practicing on your own, memorizing. Because here we are, I'm going to play the entire thing with the metronome at 95 beats per minute, and then we can move on to the more advanced section if you're interested. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 1, ready, play. Very good, very good. Again, my name is Dan, and this is HD Piano. We're going to keep learning this song, an advanced version, and then we'll play through it, both of the versions together, at hdpiano.com. The song is Silent Night. It was composed a long time ago by Franz Gruber and Joseph Moore, and you're learning it here with us at HD Piano. While I've got you on the line, let's connect on social media. On Twitter, send us your requests. Hashtag HD requests. Send them to @HDPiano. Love to see them all coming through there. On Facebook, give us a thumbs up. On Instagram, give us your 15 best seconds of performance. Send us the video. We'll repost it. And then on YouTube, click the red rectangle to subscribe if you haven't yet. Alright guys, catch you at hdpiano.com.